Hey guys, welcome to Speech Help for Kids. I'm Heather, and here in Texas, it hasn't snowed in 7 years. So we are super excited this morning when we woke up and there's snow all over the place. So today I'm going to show you some suggestions that you can do with your little one playing in the snow. All right, let's get started. So S-splints are a great activity that you can do while playing in the snow with your little one. When it snowed about 7 years ago here in Texas, we got these sleds for our little girls and haven't used them since we haven't had any snow. So you can go sledding, build a snowman, look for sticks. You can have a snowball fight. My daughter got this fun little snowball maker and she loves having a snowball fight. So making a ball out of snow, having a fun little snowball fight. Lots of verbs that you can work on while playing in the snow. You've got throwing, you've got sledding, you can say, go find something. And all kids right now are into sensory bins, and this is a fun activity. Just get a container, put snow in it, and bury things and have them find the items. So if you're working on a specific sound, bury those items and then have them find those items. So I buried a few items in the snow and then they can find those. And so airplane, they have to say the word when they find it. So, oh, it's a bunny. What color is the bunny? What does the bunny do? So ask lots of questions when you're doing that as well. And the snowball maker, I was going to show you how great the snowballs turn out with that. So it's a really fun activity that you can do playing in the snow. So I've got a few other suggestions, so keep watching for some more fun in the snow.
Okay, so I have the boiling water here, and let's see what happens. Oh my gosh! That was so cool! It worked! That was so cool!